What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Alexis K and I'm back with Hurela hair. So we're jumping right into the video. We are unboxing the wigs. We got wig caps, lashes, cross necklace, press-on nails, and more. So I'm just unboxing the wig. It came in, of course, the plastic little case, and I'm showing you guys that it is transparent. It's a 13x4 transparent lace wig, and the wig kind of looked like it came a little bit pre-plucked as well. I didn't really have to do too much. So inside it comes with 2 combs on each side of the frontal, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps, and then also a strap to make it a glueless wig. So I am going to prep the wig, basically bleach the knots, plug it, and then we're gonna hop right into the styling process. So I am just combing out the hair, and I'm going in with my blow dryer brush, blow drying the hair so that we can go in with our wand curls using my wand curler. I don't know what barrel this is, but basically hot combing the roots and then wand curling the hair, going in with a little bit of hairspray to hold the curls. But like I said, this is a 13x4 transparent lace wig. It is the Kinky straight texture, and then we did get the wig in 20 inches. Overall, this lace was bomb.com. Okay, styling process did take me a little bit because I did want the curls to look very neat. So I did do pretty small sections considering the type of sections that I would do on a normal day. But all in all, the styling process definitely sped up so it doesn't look as long. As you guys can see, like once it's all curled up, everything looks super pretty. And it's the type of like kinky straight type of texture that kind of reminds me a little bit of like yaki hair, because it still gives you like that silk press feel, but still very much that natural oomph. So we are starting on my hair. I just have it braided back into 4 plaits, and I just had my edges laid down with some gel in there so that my edges would not be in the way. I'm going to tie my 4 plaits back into a ponytail so that we can lay the wig. For me, lately, this has been the flattest foundation for my wigs. So I flipped the wig over, put it on, and honestly, truly, I really thought that it was going to be too small, but the lace is definitely stretchy. Cutting it 1 in half first, and then I'm going to cut off the excess lace. Everybody's been doing that method with laying it down with the extra lace on there first, and for me, I just don't really care for the white cast that it leaves. So we're going back to the old days, and we're going to cut it off first, and then we're going to lay it. And y'all are going to see that it comes out super duper bomb. Once that is cut off, I'm kind of like measuring a little bit, trying to make sure that everything's going to fit where it needs to go. It's going to cover my sideburns and stuff like that. That's like one of my biggest pet peeves, when my wig does not cover my sideburns. But I'm going in with my EVIN lace bond, the Supreme hole, okay? And we're just going to start off with the middle section. I'm spraying that, laying that, and then I'm going to go to each sideburn. Pretty self-explanatory process. This is my process for every wig install. I've tried the lace glues, but it just don't do it for me. Honestly, I feel like I get the best melt with just like, you know, the lightweight lace sprays, but that's a whole nother conversation for a whole nother day. So in between each section, like I said, I'm just spraying it. I'm going to blow dry, make sure it's a little sticky, and then I'm going to just start pressing the lace into that lace spray or lace glue, and then go back in with my comb a little bit just to like help press the lace down into the glue as well. All right, so once all three sections are laid down, I'm gonna go in with my spritz. It's up to you what kind of hairspray, spritz, whatever you decide you want to use. But I feel like just adding the spritz just adds the extra little melt that you need to hide that lace. So just going in with my finger, I literally dip my finger into the spritz and then just dab it all around the hairline. I don't like to really spray it because it can become too much product and create a lot of buildup. So once I spray it, just go with the blow dryer, dry it a little bit, and then I'm going to tie it up with my lace band. Let it sit for a little bit so that can melt in and make everything super duper seamless. Okay, so now we are back. I'm showing y'all what it looks like after letting it sit for a little bit with the spritz on there with the lace band. Looks good. So lately I've been trying different styles of baby hairs to see what I like instead of just doing my Old Faithful. So personally, I've been really going for like the more, I guess, like natural wispy looking baby hairs. So for that method, I go in and literally just take like little slithers of hair in the hairline. Like it should not be a huge chunk. It literally should be like a little skinny little part. And I do that for both sides. Just minimal edges so that it doesn't look super extra or super dramatic. So I'm going in with the hot comb, just hot combing the edges down. And then I'm going to go in with the small flat iron and I'm going to curl them up. It's up to you, curl up, under, don't really matter, but I like to curl before I cut them. I'm going to cut them with my razor, and then I just found a new holy grail, and it is the Nairobi foam and then the Got2b glue gel. Mix them together and you'll get like the perfect wispy but like neat looking baby hairs. I mix them together on the back of my hand, and then go in with the comb from the baby hair brush and just swipe the product through and then just start swooping. So it's like at the end it's definitely giving wispy, but they're still definitely going to stay in place. So once the baby hairs are pretty much done, I'm going to go in with my hot comb, just make sure everything's flat, laying where it needs to lay. No lumps, no bumps, none of that extra stuff. And then I'm gonna go back in with my lace band, tie down the baby hairs just one more time so that they stay in place just until like the foam and the glue dry, because I don't want those wigs to start coming up a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with this little root touch up that I got from the beauty supply store, fix up the part, all that good stuff, and that's pretty much it. Overall, super beautiful wig, very natural hairline, and very easy to maintain. So make sure you guys check the description box, check out Hurela hair, and I will link everything down in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed another install with me. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.